layup. Bilawan fakes. Binigay sa left kay Brett. Ojerio with Alahoy na tira sa ilalim. And there you go.
Yun sa ang ginagawa nilang 1-3-1 or 2-2-1 trap defense. So, at maibaba nila yung bola na yan.
At makapag-set ng kanilang sariling play.
Yes,
what a
partner.
pass there. Behind the back pass. And what a great finish for Bornales.
Gives the ball to Barbecho. Barbecho, pull-up jumper. In and out, pero nandun pa rin siya to clean up the mess. Salcedo, what a backdoor play on the part of Salcedo to Barbecho. Si Tejada, attacking Tejada, using the glass and scores for two.
That's the first score of Tejada for this game.
Yes, much to the delight of the people of Dae. What a pass, partner! Grabe!
That's the Balane connection.
15 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan na si Troy Casis crossing the half-court line against Salcedo Jr. 7 seconds. May pick na galing kay Velasco. Casis kicks it out. What a pass to Ricky Rada. Ni Napaw. And ending the quarter. Ayan na si Pajares with 9 seconds remaining. Pajares in and out dribble. What a shot. Ventis nakuha. Ni Cabanela. Bragaez. For Trey. Bang! Janmar Bragaez.
Gumagalaw yung 1-3-1 na yan. So, dapat pagalawin nila yan para maging mahina yung depensa nitong San Lorenzo. But now, talagang nagiging effective ito sa part ng San Lorenzo.
What a shot there from Jok Vilarbino.
I-take over dito ito si Jerome Almario Tama.
So, how will Team Daet look at that shot from Justin Sentin.
Nakikita mo yung partner.
And sabi ni Vales, bahala kayo dyan. Dito lang ako mag-aantay. And the score is tied at 23 with 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Yes, partner. That's a good recognition on the part of Saspa there.
Oh my God!
Grabe yun.
What a shot! What a pass and a shot by number 5 na si Disquitado. Pero what a move by Jenmar Bragaez.
So, balik ito sa Mercedes. Yun na nga partner, yung gustong gawin itong Mercedes papasukin itong Daet sa kanilang laro.
Oh, what a jam! In your face! Look at this play.